Hey guys, Samantha Wilson here, and today I'm going to show you how to highlight and contour. First up is our contour stick. I love this color. It's perfect for all complexions. Go down the sides of your cheekbones, around the edge of your forehead, down each part of your nose, and around your chin jawline. Now I'm going to take my contour brush and I'm going to tap gently over where I put the lines from the contour stick. Tapping to blend it all in, but giving that depth. Then blending down the sides of my nose, tapping my other cheekbone. And when I go for the jawline, I do upward strokes. Now moving on to the concealer. This is the Full Coverage Liquid Concealer. I took the lightest shade in color 00 to really show you the difference with the highlighting and contouring. This is really going to give you that nice dramatic effect. You can go 1 to 2 shades lighter, 3 to 4 shades lighter. I love the liquid concealer brush because it's really soft and it just applies it very nice and evenly. Then I'm going to take my kabuki brush, I wet it a little bit, and then I tap over all of the concealer to blend it in. When you do the nice highlighting with the concealer under your eyes, you really give it a good brightness to help take those dark circles away and make you look more wide awake and bushy-tailed. Then, bronzer. Why bronzer when you just put concealer on? The reason that you use bronzer is because it adds the warmth. The contour stick adds the depth, and the bronzer adds the warmth. So I go over all those same areas that I applied the contour stick with the bronzer. And there you have it, your basic highlight and contour. Reach out to me so we can customize the perfect shades for you.